Okay, so if you're in sales or account management, you know exactly what I'm talking about. That super important client email lands in your inbox, and then the manual scramble begins. You're copying, pasting, trying to make sure you don't miss a single tiny detail while you move it all over to your CRM. It's just this constant, tedious back and forth.
Sound familiar? Yeah, this juggling act between your email and Monday.com, it isn't just a pain. It's actually pretty risky. It's exactly where those golden opportunities slip through the cracks, where important details get lost, and where your whole workflow just grinds to a halt. But what if you could connect those two worlds with just one click?
Yep, this quote right here, it absolutely nails the feeling. It's that constant, nagging worry in the back of your mind that one key piece of info, a deadline, a specific request, a contact's name, is gonna get lost in the shuffle. It's a mental load that, let's be honest, you just don't need. All right, let's really break this down. The core issue here is this clunky, manual process that we've all been forced to build. It's the super inefficient, error-prone routine of copy-paste forward that turns your inbox from a place of opportunity into a source of stress.
I mean, just look at the difference here. On the one side, you have the old way, total chaos. You're copying and pasting all day, forwarding emails that lose their context, and there's always that risk of human error. It's slow, it's messy. But on the other side, a whole new world. A single click kicks off automated data entry. All of a sudden, you've got clean, structured records, and your whole team can see what's going on. It's a complete transformation of your workflow.
So, how does this whole thing actually work, in the real world? Let's take an actual example and follow an email's journey from a cluttered inbox all the way to a clear, actionable task inside Monday.com. Okay, so picture this. You get an email from Olivia, a procurement manager. And this is a big one, a request for furniture for a brand new hotel project. The email is just packed with all these juicy details, beds, desks, lounge sets. Now, normally, this is where the boring manual work would start, but not this time. The whole process really just boils down to 4 simple steps. First, you open the add-on right there inside Gmail. Then you map the email details to your CRM columns. You'll see the lead pop up instantly in Monday.com, and then you can even create presets to make it all go even faster next time. Let's walk through it. So the magic starts right away. You just click the little icon in your Gmail sidebar, and this panel opens up. And notice what it's already done. It's figured out the sender is Olivia, it's got her email, and it's pulled the subject line to use as the task name. You haven't had to type a single thing. And this is where the real power is. You're taking all that messy, unstructured text from an email and turning it into clean, structured data. You just tell the tool where you want everything to go. Her name maps to the name column. Her role goes to the title column. You can even highlight the project location right in the email and just drop it into the right field. You're basically turning a simple email into an organized, valuable asset.
And boom, the second you hit create, it's done. That new task is live on your Monday.com board. There's no waiting around, no lag time. That opportunity is now officially captured. It's visible, and your team is ready to jump on it while the lead is still hot.
So let's hop over to Monday.com and see the result. Here it is, a new item, hotel project in Croatia. All those details we just mapped are perfectly filled out. And check this out, the original email is attached right there as an update. Now your entire team has the full story, the full context of what the client needs. The lead is visible, it's collaborative, and it's totally actionable. But what happens if you get inquiries like Olivia's all the time? Well, that's where presets become a total game changer. You can set up a template, let's call it Hotel Project Inquiries, that already knows which workspace and which board to use. This takes the tool from just a one-time fix to a scalable, repeatable process that's going to save you an incredible amount of time in the long run. Okay, so we've seen how it all works. Pretty cool, right? But who is this really for? Let's talk about the teams that are going to get the most value out of this new, super streamlined workflow. So think about it. Are you on a sales team trying to catch inbound leads before they go cold? This is for you. Are you a supplier juggling complex client orders, or maybe a consultant who gets detailed project briefs? Or hey, maybe you're in real estate or construction, tracking bids and proposals. This is designed for your exact workflow. Honestly, it's simple. If your team lives inside Monday.com, this is built to solve one of your biggest daily headaches. What this all adds up to is creating a truly frictionless sales process. It's all about getting rid of those tiny, annoying manual steps that just slow everything down.
When you totally eliminate the copy pasting and the manual data entry, you create this smooth, direct path for every single opportunity to get from your inbox to action. And that means faster response times and more time for you to do the strategic work that actually closes the deals.
So I'll just leave you with this one question. Right now, as it stands, is your inbox kind of a black hole where valuable opportunities are at risk of getting lost forever? Because you know what? It really, really doesn't have to be.